Welcome to Standard 1 Subject Science. I am Mrs. Archana. Children and students, today I am going to teach you Chapter 9 Keeping Clean. Okay? First of all, you have to know what is cleanliness. To keeping ourselves clean, our surrounding clean is called cleanliness. Okay, children? And by keeping ourselves clean, we make us healthy. Okay? Now students, in chapter 9 keeping clean, first of all you have to know how should we keep ourselves clean. Okay? We should always keep our body clean by brushing our teeth twice in a day, by taking bath every day. Okay? And we should cut our nails, children, also once in a week. Okay, everyone, because in the nails there are too many germs are there. Okay, so we should always keep short nails. Okay, everyone. So first of all, children, how should we keep our body clean? We should brush our teeth twice in a day, morning time and at night time. Okay, and it keeps our teeth healthy. Okay, everyone. Now we should wash our hands after and before meal. Okay, when we are eating, then before eating and after eating, it's must we have to wash our hands. We should comb our hair, children, every day, and we should apply oil also in our hairs. Okay, in our hair, we should wear clean clothes. We should always wear, children, clean clothes, and we must clean our nose with a clean handkerchief. We must keep our nails short and clean. Okay, everyone. Now, see, children, this is your chapter 9, keeping clean. Okay, keeping your body clean. Just now, your miss has explained how should we keep ourselves clean. Okay. First, using the toilet, wash your hands with soap and water. Children, whenever you go toilet, then you have to wash your hands with you have to wash your hands with soap and water. Okay, and brush your teeth twice in a day. We should brush our teeth twice in a day, and brushing the teeth makes our teeth healthy. Okay, in the morning and before going to bed. Do not eat or drink anything. Do not eat or drink anything except water after you brush your teeth at night. Okay, everyone. So, what you all have read here, that we should, how should we keep ourselves clean? First of all, by washing our hands with soap and water. Okay, and by brushing our teeth twice in a day, morning time and at night time. Okay, everyone. And have a bath every day. We should take bath, children, every day. Okay, and it removes dust and sweat from your body and cleans your body. When we are taking bath, children, dust and germs, many things are there that it removes. Okay, so use a clean towel to dry your body. We should use clean towel, and we should comb our hair daily. Okay, everyone. When you come back from your school or park, wash your face. Why? Because when you are playing, there many dust are there in the park, and it adjusts your face. Okay, so first of all, what we have to do, returning from the park or school, you have to wash your face, hands and feet. Okay, wash your hands with soap and water before and after eating. Rinse your mouth after eating something. We should rinse our mouth, okay, after eating something. You can see a pictures also, children. Rinse your mouth after eating something. Do not lick your finger after eating. Some children's habit, when they are eating the food, they are licking their fingers. No, it's bad habit, children. We should not lick our fingers after eating. And we should wash our hands before and after every meal. You can see in this picture also, this child is washing his hand. Now keep your nails short and clean. Just now your miss said that we should keep our nails short because many germs are there and many germs are hidden in the nails. Okay, so we should keep short nails. Okay, everyone, and never bite your nails. We should not bite our nails also, children. This is a very bad habit because in the nails there are germs, dust are there, and you are bite when you will bite the nails, then all the germs goes into in your stomach. It will cause of illness. Okay, everyone, so we should not bite our nails. Now, just now I have explained then how should we keep ourselves clean, our body clean. Okay, and now I am going to tell you about how should we keep our house clean. Okay, how should you keep your classroom clean? So first of all, you have to use, children, dustbin to throw any garbages or any uh, bits of papers, everything. Okay, so you can see in the picture also this girl is using dustbin. Okay, so how should you keep your house clean? You must use dustbin. You keep your things in a proper place. Okay, you keep your toys or any your books and copies in a proper place. Understood, everyone? Some children's habit that they are playing with toys and they are sketching here and there. It's a bad habit. Okay, so throw waste things into the dustbin. We should throw the wastage in the dustbin. Do not write or draw on the wall. We should not write or draw on the wall, children. Okay, it looks very dirty. And switch off the light and fans when you leave a place. Okay, when you are leaving the place, children, then you have to switch off the light and fans. Okay, everyone, flush the toilet after use while you're using the toilet, children, and so after that you will flush. Okay, while using the toilet, after that you will flush. Okay, turn off taps and showers. We should not waste water, children, so we should turn off the taps and shower. These are the some good habits, children. Do not leave soaps and shampoo on the floor. Okay, everyone. Now you can see the picture here. I have a bath. Okay, it is a good habit to keep ourselves clean. We should take bath every day. In this picture, you can see how nicely this child is taking bath, and he is using shower and shampoo he is applying in his on his hair. Yes, and using soap. So the thing, what are the things here, children? You can see here that the soap, shampoo, okay, is using. I brush my teeth in the morning. Okay, and we should brush our teeth twice in a day, morning and at night before going to bed. Now, see, children, this is an activity. Circle the things that help us to keep clean. You have to circle here these things. Okay, uh, which things help you to keep yourself clean? First of all, children, this brush, we brush our teeth. Yes, everyone, here paste is there. Now comb, we comb over here with the help of comb. We comb over here. Now towel also, nail cutters also, children, to cut the nail, soap also. Okay, everyone, so these are the things used to keep ourselves clean. Okay, everyone. Now you can see here some more things are there which we use to keep ourselves clean, as bucket and mug. Yes, in bathroom we use this bucket and mug to take bath, to wash clothes. Yes, everyone. Brush, we use brush to keep our teeth clean. Yes, comb, with the help of comb we comb over here. Yeah, everyone. Now, students, page number 66, question number A and B I am going to explain. This is your homework. Okay, everyone. Page number 66, question number A and B. It is your homework. Now, I am going to explain, everyone. Complete the sentences with correct word from the bracket. Wash your hands every time after using the toilet or holding a book? By using a toilet. See children, this you will write. Okay, wash your hands every time after using the toilet. Okay everyone, dash your hair every day. Comb your hair every day. We should comb our hair every day, not cut our hair every day. Okay, we should comb our hair every day. Never bite your nails or food. Never bite your nails. Okay, we should not bite our nails, children, um, because in the nails, children, the long nails or short nails, any nails, children, any type of nails, there are germs hidden. Okay, and germs are very small in size. You cannot see the germs with your naked eyes. So we should not bite our nails. Biting nails is a bad habit. So help your parents in keeping the house clean. Okay, we should help our parents to keep the house clean. So easy children. Now write T for true statement and F for false statement. We should brush our teeth once a day. We should brush our teeth once a day. It is false. We should brush our teeth twice in a day. Okay, we should rinse the mouth after eating anything. This is true. Okay, we should rinse the mouth after eating anything. Do not flush the toilet after use. This is false. We should flush the toilet. Okay, do not switch off the fans and light after you leave the place. It is also false. Okay, do not switch off the fans and lights after you leave a place. False. Do not flush the toilet after you. False. We should rinse the mouth after eating anything. This is true. And we should brush our teeth once a day. No, we should brush our teeth, children, twice in a day. Okay everyone, so this homework you have to complete in your book. Okay, now children, today one more homework is there. This homework you have to complete in your copy. Okay, you have to write some good habits in your copy. Okay, as just now I have explained also in this chapter some good habits, as like to keep ourselves clean, our surroundings clean, our house clean. Okay, these are the some good habits. And how children, how should you keep yourself clean? By brushing your teeth and taking bath, by cutting the nails once in a week. Okay, now see, we should brush our teeth twice in a day. We should take bath daily. We should wear clean clothes. We should always wear clean clothes, children. We should comb our hair. We should trim our nails regularly. We should wash our hands before and after meals. We should rinse our mouth after meals. Okay, everyone. So today two homeworks are there. One you have to complete in your book, page number 66, question number A and B, and another homework you have to write the good habits in your copy. Okay everyone, thank you everyone.